Welcome to fixitforgetit.com, where projects and ideas come together.
Hi, this is John from fixitforgetit.com. One of the most frustrating things in life is trying to get one of these little produce bags open. It seems like no matter how much you pull and twist and tug at them, you can't get them open. They'll spread out like this, but you can't get this part open. And the last thing you want to see is people licking their fingers and tugging and pulling at these. So an easy way to open them is just take it, pull on it like that several times. It'll open right up. Thanks for stopping by.